Well, we haven't reserved a specific site yet. They're up to comment, but I will announce on April 13th what I'm going to do next in terms of running for president of the U.S. Senate. So we're going to formally announce that on the 13th.
So you will announce that you're running for president?
I'll announce something on April 13th. Politics of the United States on Public Channel 124.
Fighting lives like this. Those of us here tonight, we need to set our sights higher. We're just making sure government doesn't screw things up altogether. Let's keep the edge of the story
Turn left on South 2nd Street, IL 29.
Every morning, only one radio show hits the hottest topics across the NBA. Reacts to all of last night's game. And calls the players, coaches, and league newsmakers. The starting lineup on SiriusXM NBA Radio. You went to bed thinking about basketball. Now, wake up with it too. The starting lineup, 7 to 10 a.m. Eastern. Only on SiriusXM NBA. The SiriusXM app. Mold on your siding, moss on your roof, mildew on your deck. The easiest way to get rid of it all is with Wet and Forget Outdoor. There's no scrubbing, no rinsing, and no pressure washing. Just spray and leave. Wet and Forget Outdoor is non-caustic and safe for any outdoor surface. Siding, roofing, concrete, stone, stucco, even fabric. Just spray and you're done with Wet and Forget Outdoor. Available at participating Ace, True Value, Do It Best, and Lowe's Home Improvement stores. Visit wetandforget.com for a store near you. SiriusXM Patriot 125. The heartbeat of conservatism.